I really believe that anyone who's really driven to build his dream life should run his own online business. There are so many talented people with so much potential, and they are still selling their life and their time for money. They waste hours every day commuting, and instead of building their own businesses to reach their best possible lives, they are trapped in jobs building someone else's future, and over time, most of them become extremely unfulfilled and they begin to regret they did nothing about it at the right time. Not a long time ago, I was in that situation working in a corporate job. I had a decent salary, but I was never really fulfilled, and I hated spending endless hours in a work that I had no passion for. I remember one night participating in a very long and unproductive business meeting. Our boss was nervous and started yelling at one of my fellows. I thought I was wasting my time for nothing while my wife and 2 kids were waiting for me at home. I felt so terrible about myself that night, and I realized that it was time to change the way I earn money and the way I spend my time. I really wanted to be there for my family when they need me and for my children when they are growing up, so I really hated the idea of spending another 30 years in the office working for someone else. Just a few days later, I was watching some motivational stuff on YouTube when I happened to come across a video series that changed my life forever, explaining me how everyone willing to learn could start a profitable online business from scratch, being his own boss and enjoying absolute time and location freedom. I was able to quit my corporate job a few months after watching this video series and going through the training. Today I spend a lot of time with my family, fulfilling my passion to travel the world with them, and I also enjoy my friends and practice my favorite sports because I can design my day the way I want it and choose the place I work from with my laptop. So if you want to check out these videos yourself to get a clear understanding of what it actually takes to build a successful online business, I strongly recommend you to click the button below now and to enter your contact details so that I can send you the videos immediately to your email inbox. Many people who already received this video series from me, they are really astonished and they ask me why I am even sharing this with others. You see, I'm so grateful I had the privilege of building a life and a business that I truly love, that I want to give motivated people like you the same chance that I was provided then, and offer free videos that I know are going to just blow your mind, and they are going to help you move forward confidently to create the lifestyle that you and your family deserve. So click the button below the video, watch the video series, and we will continue from there.